Sometimes even the smallest neighbors need a little help. This sparrow is busy building her nest in the corner of the room, so someone quietly places some dry straw on the seat of a scooter and steps back. Within seconds, the sparrow flies in, picks a piece, and carries it straight to her nest. Little by little, her home starts coming together. A tiny bird building a home and a kind human helping without disturbing. Sometimes kindness is this simple. Thank you and follow for more kindness videos.